Ice cream doesn't just have to be vanilla or chocolate anymore. I'm going to show you how to transform your ice cream game with these 10 unique herbs. Let's dive in. First up, we've got mint. Mint brings that refreshing, cooling sensation that's perfect for ice cream. All you need to do is steep fresh mint leaves in your ice cream base for a subtle flavor, or blend them in for something bolder. Trust me, it's a game changer. Next, basil. This herb adds a slightly sweet, peppery taste that pairs amazingly with citrus fruits. Use sweet basil leaves and steep them in the milk or cream for a light infusion, or blend them in for a stronger kick. Basil ice cream with a hint of lemon or strawberry? Yes, please. Now let's talk lavender. Floral, slightly sweet, and oh so calming. Use culinary-grade lavender buds and steep them in your cream or milk. Just a small amount though. You don't want to overpower your ice cream. Lavender pairs beautifully with honey and vanilla. Rosemary is up next. With its woody, piney, and slightly sweet flavor, rosemary works well in both savory and sweet ice creams. Steep a sprig in your cream base or finely chop and add sparingly. It's perfect with honey, lemon, and dark chocolate. Next, lemon verbena brings a fresh, citrusy brightness to your ice cream. Steep the leaves in the milk or cream to infuse that lovely lemony aroma. It pairs wonderfully with vanilla, berries, or honey. It's like a burst of sunshine in your ice cream. Thyme is another great option. Earthy, slightly minty, with a subtle herbal quality. Use fresh thyme leaves steeped in the cream base. Thyme works well with lemon, honey, and vanilla. Chamomile is next. Mildly sweet and apple-like, chamomile has a light and soothing quality. Use dried chamomile flowers and steep them in the milk or cream. It pairs well with honey and vanilla. Perfect for a relaxing dessert. Sage adds an earthy and savory flavor with a slightly peppery taste and hints of eucalyptus. Steep fresh sage leaves in the cream or milk. It pairs especially well with brown butter, caramel, and honey. It's a cozy, comforting choice. Lemongrass offers a fresh, citrusy flavor with a hint of ginger. Bruise the stalks and steep them in the milk or cream to extract the flavor. Lemongrass pairs well with coconut, ginger, or tropical fruits. Super refreshing and zesty. Last but not least, shiso, also known as perilla. Shiso has a unique blend of mint, basil, and citrus flavors with a slight peppery undertone. Use fresh shiso leaves, either steeped in the cream or finely chopped and blended. Shiso works well with citrus fruits, berries, and even matcha for an Asian-inspired ice cream. And there you have it. 10 herbs to transform your ice cream into something truly special. Give them a try and let me know which one's your favorite. Happy gardening and happy ice cream making. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more delicious content. See you next time.